it's Wembley. It's not lost on any of us. Completely respectful and appreciative of what it's held over the years and the history it has. So, you know, it's always a special place to come and play football from any footballer or coaching. You know, it's a historical place. But we're not here to look at the stadium and see the pitch and see England. We're here to show what we can do, to showcase the best of what we are. And that's really our motivation for tomorrow night. And whatever happens. But to me, it's be the best version of ourselves. And if we're able to do that, I want us to really enjoy not just the occasion, but enjoy the football that comes with it that we're able to play. That to me is what we're about.